Welcome to the city of Bath. Welcome, traveler. Welcome to a city that is not just a place on a map, but a living, breathing storybook. Welcome to Bath, a city that has been captivating hearts for over 2 millennia. As you step onto its elegant streets, you are walking in the footsteps of Roman legionaries, Georgian socialites, and generations of dreamers who have been drawn to its unique beauty and profound sense of history. Feel the embrace of ancient waters. Let your journey begin at the very heart of it all, the Roman baths. Stand here, and feel the mist of the steaming, thermal waters on your skin, the same waters that have flowed from the earth's depths for thousands of years. Close your eyes. Listen. Can you hear the echoes of whispered Latin, the laughter of Romans seeking solace and society in these sacred springs? This is not a museum frozen in time, it is a powerful, emotional connection to a distant past. Touch the ancient stones and feel the enduring human desire for healing, community, and wonder. Here, you don't just learn history, you feel it rise around you. Marvel at a masterpiece in stone as you emerge. Let your gaze be drawn upwards to the breathtaking Bath Abbey, its lace-like stonework piercing the sky. This, Lantern of the West, has been a beacon of hope and faith for centuries. Step inside and allow the hushed serenity to wash over you. Sunlight streams through magnificent stained glass, painting the air with color. It is a place of awe, of quiet reflection, and of stunning human achievement. A symphony in stone. The Georgian legacy. Now, wander. Lose yourself in the breathtaking sweep of the Royal Crescent and the elegant circus of the circus. These are not merely rows of houses, they are a symphony composed in honey-colored Bath stone. They represent the pinnacle of Georgian architecture, a period of incredible elegance, ambition, and enlightenment. To walk through these streets is to step into a Jane Austen novel, to imagine the rustle of silk gowns and the lively discourse of a society obsessed with beauty, science, and art. The overwhelming harmony and grandeur of this urban landscape is why the world took notice. Why UNESCO? A city of universal value. You may wonder, why has Bath been honored as a UNESCO World Heritage Site? It is because this city is a rare and perfect masterpiece. It is one of the few places in the world where a complete ancient Roman bathing complex, based on a sacred hot spring, survives alongside a city that, in the 18th century, became the unparalleled exemplar of Georgian town planning. Bath's beauty is not accidental, it is a deliberate and breathtakingly successful fusion of natural wonder, ancient history, and visionary urban design. UNESCO protects Bath because its value to human heritage is universal and irreplaceable. So, we invite you to do more than just see the sights. Please, immerse yourself. Savor the warmth of the natural thermal waters at the modern Thermi Bath Spa. Indulge in a delicious Sally Lunn bun, tasted for centuries. Simply sit on a bench in Queen Square and watch the world go by in this most beautiful of settings. Let Bath's layers of history unfold before you. Learn from the ambition of the Romans, the elegance of the Georgians, and the timeless allure of the natural spring that started it all. Enjoy every moment. Discover your own connection to this extraordinary place. Create your own memories within its golden streets. Whispers of the past. A city of literary ghosts as you amble along the cobbled lanes, like Gay Street or the charming, hidden passageways leading to the river. Listen closely. The walls here seem to whisper tales not just of stone and mortar, but of brilliant minds and timeless stories. Bath was once home to Jane Austen, who walked these very streets, observing the intricate social dance of Georgian society. It was here that the sharp wit of Northanger Abbey and Persuasion was honed, drawing direct inspiration from the city's ballrooms and drawing rooms. But the literary ghosts do not stop there. Charles Dickens found fascination in its contrasts of grandeur and grit, and the timeless verses of Wordsworth were penned by a man who found deep inspiration in the surrounding Somerset Hills. To walk through Bath is to wander through the pages of a great English novel. Seek out the Jane Austen Center, not just to learn, but to feel the presence of an era that defined an entire genre of literature. The pulse of the city. markets and meeting places. A city is more than its monuments, it is its people. Feel the vibrant, modern pulse of Bath at the bustling Guildhall Market, a covered market that has been the heart of city life since the 1300s. Here, the aroma of fresh local cheese, the colorful displays of flowers, and the cheerful chatter of traders and shoppers create a symphony of everyday life. It is a beautiful reminder that Bath is not a museum piece frozen in amber, but a living, working city where history provides the backdrop for vibrant modern communities. Cross Pulteney Bridge, one of only a handful of bridges in the world with shops lining both sides. Gaze down at the powerful weirs of the River Avon, where swans glide serenely, offering a perfect moment of peace amidst the city's energy. This is the perfect place to pause, to simply be, and to absorb the beautiful marriage of natural setting and human ingenuity. A lesson in stone. Learning from Bath's endurance. What can we learn from Bath's millennia of history? We learn resilience. The city has seen Romans leave, Saxons arrive, abbeys rise and fall, and fashions change dramatically. Yet, through it all, its essential character, defined by the healing waters and the beautiful stone, has endured. We learn about ambition and vision. The Georgians didn't just build houses, they dreamed of an ideal city, a utopia of light, space, and elegance, and they had the determination to see it through. Their belief in beauty as a fundamental human right is a powerful lesson for the ages. Most importantly, Bath teaches us about layers. History is not a single story but a rich tapestry where the Roman, medieval, Georgian, and modern worlds coexist, each layer respecting the one beneath it. It is a masterclass in preserving the past, not by locking it away, but by weaving it seamlessly into the present. Your journey awaits, so, whether you find serenity in the quiet nave of the Abbey, excitement in unearthing a Roman curse tablet, laughter in a cozy traditional pub, or inspiration gazing at the perfect symmetry of a Royal Crescent window, know that this experience is yours alone. Bath's greatest treasure is its ability to make history feel personal, emotional, and breathtakingly immediate. It invites you not just to observe, but to connect. We are so delighted to welcome you here. Explore every corner, follow your curiosity, and let the city's timeless magic find its way into your heart. As your time in this golden city draws to a close, we hope you take with you more than just photographs. We hope you carry a sense of wonder, a feeling of connection to the countless souls who have walked here before you, and the serene beauty that defines Bath. You came as a visitor, but you leave as part of Bath's enduring story. This heritage is yours to cherish now as well. Farewell, and safe travels. Until we meet again in this beautiful, timeless place. May the memory of the steam rising from the ancient Great Bath stay with you. May the image of the golden stone, glowing in the afternoon sun, be a picture you carry in your mind for years to come. Take with you the peace, the inspiration, and the profound sense of connection. You are now a guardian of its story, a part of its endless narrative. Thank you for visiting. Travel safely, and may you return to these warm waters and welcoming streets again and again. We expend our time for your journey. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thanks again for your time.